Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey across the United States. Did you know there's so much more to this country than meets the eye? You may know the US for its iconic cities, but behind every state and landmark is a story filled with wonder and surprise. Let's dive into some lesser-known facts about the United States that will surely amaze you. We all know the United States is home to famous cities like New York, Chicago, and Los Angeles. But did you know that Jackson, Wyoming, a small town with a population of less than 11,000 people, sees more tourists every year than some big cities? Why? Because it's the gateway to two of the most stunning national parks in the world, Grand Teton and Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park, established in 1872, is not only the first national park in the U.S. but also the first national park in the world. It spans 3 states, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, and is famous for its geothermal features, including the iconic Old Faithful Geyser. Yellowstone has over 10,000 geothermal features, more than anywhere else on Earth. Next, let's head to the largest state in the U.S., Alaska. Did you know Alaska is so big that you could fit Texas inside it twice? And speaking of extremes, Alaska also has the longest coastline of any U.S. state, stretching over 6,600 miles. That's more coastline than all the other 49 states combined. And while Alaska is known for its rugged wilderness, it's also one of the best places in the world to see the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. On clear winter nights, you can witness this spectacular natural light show in the sky, with hues of green, purple, and red dancing above. Speaking of natural wonders, did you know the Mississippi River is the second longest river in North America? Flowing over 2,300 miles from Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico, the Mississippi has been a vital waterway for centuries. In fact, it's so large that it drains 31 U.S. states and 2 Canadian provinces. Now, let's talk about Kansas. This state may not be as flashy as California or New York, but did you know that Kansas is considered the geographical center of the continental United States? And, if you ever visit, you'll notice it's also one of the flattest states in the country, making it a prime spot for agriculture. Kansas is known as the wheat state because it produces more wheat than any other state in the U.S. On a more cosmic note, did you know the United States is a pioneer in space exploration? NASA, the U.S. space agency, has achieved incredible milestones, including the Apollo 11 mission, which landed the first humans on the moon in 1969. The U.S. has sent more astronauts to space than any other country, and its space program continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. But space isn't the only frontier the U.S. has explored. Did you know that Silicon Valley, in California, is the world's leading hub for technology and innovation? Companies like Apple, Google, and Facebook were all founded here, changing the way billions of people around the world communicate and live their lives. Speaking of innovation, the United States is also home to a rich history of inventions that have shaped modern life. From Thomas Edison's light bulb to the Wright brothers' first airplane flight, American inventors have been at the forefront of technological breakthroughs. Did you know that even the internet was born in the U.S.? It started as a government research project in the 1960s and has since become a global phenomenon. And let's not forget about education. The United States is home to some of the best universities in the world, including Harvard, MIT, and Stanford. Did you know the U.S. has more Nobel Prize winners than any other country? Over 380 Americans have won the prestigious award, contributing to fields like science, literature, and peace. Finally, did you know the Statue of Liberty, one of the most iconic symbols of the United States, was a gift from France in 1886? It stands tall in New York Harbor, welcoming millions of immigrants who came to America seeking a new life. The statue remains a symbol of freedom and democracy around the world. So, as you can see, the United States is filled with amazing facts, from its natural beauty and historic achievements to its cultural diversity and innovation. Whether you're drawn to its cities, landscapes, or people, there's no denying that the U.S. is a country of endless possibilities and surprises. Thank you for joining us on this journey. I hope you learned something new today. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, there's always more to discover. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.